It's relevant and important work to preserve our shared history as Californians. A lot of these houses are modern or people who have moved here more recently, but I think any area that has historical significance, such as an old mining town, we should try to preserve. So we're working watershed protection, which is basically placing these sandbags and these things called socks. They're basically filled with hay, and where you put them around the houses that got burnt down in the TCU Lightning Complex. And the reason this is important is because there's a lot of open wells in this area, and that causes a huge risk of groundwater getting contaminated in addition to the surface water that is normally at risk. The main hand tool we're using today is called a McLeod. It's like a big rake, but then on the other side it's like a hoe. We're using it to scrape the dirt below where we're placing the socks.
Be able to make like a little trench, I'd say. With the McLeod, stomp it down so it lays flat.
To make sure that water won't be funneling underneath and that they'll be doing their job and collecting the debris. The sandbags are to weigh down the socks. We need 4 per sock. The important thing about them is that you need to have about half of the weight on both sides, so there's a technique to laying them where you kind of have to shimmy it. I think the main thing I'm realizing is how much all of the things around fires work, how much it takes a city. There's just so much auxiliary work to be done.
I think in the end, just knowing that I did something and then being able to go home and tell my siblings about it, it's a good thing.